Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Thanks to you guys and all of your support. I went over 300 videos and thank you. Now, the surprise is, oh wait, before you go there, if you're brand new here, please click down below, subscribe, and click that little bell. I got a lot of awesome videos coming in here pretty soon. So, the treat is for all of your successful comments and shares and what have you. And I'm going to teach you something about what I do to get a lot of views. Right here, I'm blinded. So, Social Blade is right here. That's YouTube. There's a whole bunch more in there. There's Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Daily Motion, and Mixer. I'm not using any of those, but I'm going to use the Facebook. I have like 18,000 people in there. I'll show you all that here pretty soon. Now, here's 300. I don't have anything to stable this, so I'm just doing it on my own. And, where was I? Oh, over here. Now, yeah, find where is that? Okay, I'm going in the back, and I'm pulling up the old videos one by one. Right click new tab, I open that up, and I'm right here. Now I'm paying $9 a month for TubeBuddy, and it's giving best practices. You got 12 items. Obviously, I got a bunch. This says pin a comment. Well, there's usually 4 things on the front page. I'll show you. It's easier. Just click right there on the title. It goes to the front end. Stop the video. And right here, you have to have. Now, even though you're not, most of you are not paying a subscription, you need 4 things on all of your videos, and I do believe they help to promote. Okay, you need a comment and Yankees on top, and then you need a reply, and we have replies. You need a heart, and you need a pin. So this has everything there except for one. And here's Yankee. Yankee has been one of my biggest supporters in the beginning. This is where are we at? September 3 of 2017. So Yankee, thank you for all of your support. Yankee gets pinned right now. See that? So if Yankee is wondering why he keeps getting pinned on a lot of videos, and look at all the replies we had here. So, and here's one that wasn't hearted, and I will get that right now. Now, we got the four requirements for the front end. Now back to the back end. It's just like web design right here. And that want to be gone from here. You seeing that? So, now we're back down to the info card. Now, I got a template. So we're going to click that. And apply. And OK. And I got a video I just put out a little bit ago. Check this out. It goes on every single one of them now. Okay? Grow your YouTube fast. Well, I found it over here. Watch this. Right there. And it's vid to vid promotion. Now, I don't know if that's under the freebie or if that's because I'm paying a $9 subscription to TubeBuddy. But I clicked on that, and there's a series of things going on in there. So, it doesn't take long. Now it's on the description of all 300 videos. So, that's really cool. It was a 25-minute video to show people how to do social marketing and to get more people in through advertising with all the Google Plus communities. Okay? So whether it's camping or bug out, I got solar and what have you. So advertising, like this one right here, advertising. So I gotta show you right here. I'm up 19%. I'm way up, 3.4K. That is amazing. Look at that. I peaked out pretty good yesterday. But that video I put out, Grow Your YouTube Fast, had 229 minutes. So this is for 28 days. And I'm already in second place with that video. I thought that was amazing. So this is just another trick to get more of that. So anyway, now that that's all done, all best practices complete down there. Okay, you can't see that. So a little bit. So now I'm going to go up. We're going back to the front end. Then we're going to share it. Now I don't see a problem with doing 2 or 3 or 4 of these a day. Be careful with Facebook. I have lost 10 of those accounts for my advertising abilities many, many years ago. So we click on tweet. We get that. Go back up. Blogger. Click on that. And dig. Google Plus. It was going to my community, but now it's going to free advertising. You can click on that. This time we'll go to Grow Your Business. Post. Oh, I can't see behind the phone. We just click on discussion. Okay. Facebook. I've got a whole nother video selection thing going on. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of things on advertising. That's all the way down here in the bottom right. So it's really cool stuff coming up soon. Then we go to the next one. Tumblr. This is how you get your links out there to the whole world and bring them in. And most of the people that I'm bringing in are normally the YouTube people. So you have to let them know first thing on the video. If you're new here, please subscribe and click that little bell. What was it? That was Tumblr. LinkedIn. So this video is going out around the world, and hopefully that'll help me. Oh, I guess I did that twice, didn't I? So, and I don't have any of the rest of them. And that video, or that link, best way to go off grid 8 solar panels, is gone. Bloop. And close all those out. And that's a good tip. Thank you for staying with me all of the, 19 months or so. As I used to be DIY Solar and Wind, now I'm DIY Solar Homestead without animals, so far. So that's a good tip. Thank you for sharing all of your information and all your really awesome things with me. So I hope you all learned from that and you could start doubling the subscribers you get for this next year. And thank you and have a solar evening.